I think what makes Nippon AR successful is the culture. It's a culture of innovation, the culture of possibility that's allowed it to expand its geographies and its technology. It's not only just the culture of that, it's actually allowing the people within the business to have these ideas and act upon these ideas. I think about the superheroes meeting I had last week in Delhi, where the young people in the organisation were given the chance to develop and present their ideas and enact the improvements to the business. So this culture, which I think makes Nippon AR stand out from its competitors. Developing the talent base in Australia is a focus for our business this year. We have commenced further commercial training for our sales team, and we look forward to getting product and colour training from the central team in Group AR in Delhi later in the year. By developing our people and providing a place for talent to grow within our business, we believe we can actually attract better people to join our team as well.